I'm not sure about you, but one of my favorite comfort foods is banana bread. I love to make banana bread. And I've had several people tell me my banana bread is the best banana bread ever. I'm kind of biased, I believe it. So I'm going to give you my best banana bread. Okay. I have some very ripe bananas. You can use 3 or 4. I usually opt to go 4. Now you'll notice these are very ripe, but there's still some, a lot of the yellow color in here, so they're not too far gone for banana bread. Okay. And we're just going to mash them up. I like the old-fashioned potato mashers, guys. You could probably put this in a food processor and mix it up, or a KitchenAid, but guys, that was off the tip of a banana. Always keep an eye out when you're cooking, because you can always miss something. That's mixed up. I have melted butter. Now folks, I will give you all the ingredients and everything in the description box, so don't worry about that. I always gotta have cinnamon in my banana bread and pure vanilla. Now you can add nuts if you like. I personally don't, because we have someone in the house that has a nut allergy, so I prefer to leave it out. That way we don't have any chance of issues. Okay, mix that cinnamon up really good. Okay. This part is not required, but I like to do this. It gets the lumps out. You could use a regular sifter if you wanted to, or like I say, it's not really required. It just makes it a little smoother. And the same with the flour. You can tell it would have a lot of lumps in it if we didn't take this extra 30 seconds to make the flour nice and soft. I am using self-rising flour. If you like, you can use the all-purpose. You would have to figure out all the baking powder, baking soda, salt yourself. I don't use it, so. Okay. And now we're simply just going to stir this up. This is such a simple, basic recipe. I'm going to double check, make sure I don't need nothing else in it. I don't think I, oh. Okay. And last but not least, we're going to add our egg. Let's stir that in there. This is such a simple recipe, folks. It comes together so fast. The flavor is amazing. I've tweaked this recipe over probably the last 15 or 20 years. I may try different variations of recipes using bananas, but I don't vary on this one anymore. Once you find the one you like, it's there. Do you guys make banana bread from scratch? If you do, let me know in the comments. This recipe does only make 1 loaf, If you would like, you can double the recipe and make 2 loaves. Just have to use a bigger bowl. Okay, so we've got that done. Bring my work area off a little bit here, make a little bit of room. Now, even though this is non-stick, there are times when I've had issues it's wanted to stick. So I'm just going to take some butter or margarine and rub all over through here, get in the corners and on the edges. Or you could line it with parchment paper or spray it with non-stick spray, but I'm just giving it an extra buttery layer right here. That should definitely keep it from sticking. Let me get this off my hands. We'll pour it in the pan and get it in the oven. So we're just going to pour this in here. I do have my oven preheated to 350. And depending on your oven, how fast everything bakes, the temperature settings, calibration, all that good stuff, 50 to 60 minutes. Okay, spread that out. Knock any air bubbles out. And guys, let's get this in the oven. It's time to take the banana bread out of the oven. As you can see, it is pulled away from the edges of the pan and has cracked open on top. So it is done. I'm going to put it right here in this cooling rack, and it needs to cool for probably 30 or 40 minutes. After that, all you need to do is turn it over, dump it, slice it, and guys, that's the best ever banana bread. Hope you like it as much as my family does. Thanks for watching. Like the video, share it, and I'll see you on the next video.